3, 2, 1.
What's good, London? Today we're hanging out at What the Pitta at Box Park in Shoreditch, and you guys are in for a treat. Thanks to our friends at Uber Eats for hooking us up. So Pete, what are you doing?
Rob, I'm just so excited to be back on camera. We haven't done an episode in a minute. I'm just so excited today. Aren't you with me?
Oh my god. What kind of food are we getting today?
Well, I could show you and tell you all about the deliciousness food on offer at What the Pitta, but instead, I'm gonna introduce you to our new glamorous assistant, Beth. Beth, over to you, girl.
We're here with Jem, who's co-founder of What the
Jem.
Pitta. And we're really excited to be here today. Hey, to start off with, how did you guys come up with the idea of What the Pitta?
So I went vegan about 1.5 years ago.
Okay.
And the kebab is a British classic, but there's nothing like it in London. So we flew to Germany, we tried out a vegan doner. It was amazing, and we thought we'd bring it back to London. And we're the first vegan doner in London, and since then it's just been blowing up.
Cool, so what's the most popular dish that you have?
Definitely our kebab. Everybody loves the vegan kebab. Even
Really?
Meat eaters, vegans, everybody's just been blown away by the taste.
Most of your customers vegan?
So we have our slogan, which is meat free more often. A lot of people can agree that we all need to eat a lot less meat, and so actually people are reducing the amount of meat they're eating. People come in, they want to try out a vegan doner kebab because it's a meal they know of. They come in, try it out, and before long they're converted. They're like, actually, meat free dishes can taste just as good, and so they love our vegan doner kebab.
Guys, orders come through.
All right, nice, cool. It's actually quite funny to see the other side of Uber Eats, because normally I'm just at home being lazy and I don't have anything to eat. You just use the app and within a couple clicks I can order the food. So I'm actually quite excited too. Like I really want to try this soy-based meat in the vegan doner kebab. Guys, it's actually nuts. The meat, the soy meat looks like real meat. It has the color of it. It smells incredible. You can actually smell the Turkish kind of Middle Eastern flavors here. It's insane. I can't wait to try this.
Why aren't you letting me talk?
All right, talk.
No, you always cut me off. Why you're not giving me any airtime?
Because you're super weird today.
No, you're not giving me any airtime.
What do you want to know?
Yeah, ask me your questions.
I mean, you put me on the spot now. I don't know. Like, let me think. So I got this friend, right? 3, 2, 1. And fastest 2, by the way.
Fastest 2? You never said that.
That's so shit.
That's not.
What happened to you? I mean, I think I won, but let's bring Jem. Call it. Wow. Like, I mean, this needs to be disqualified. Even look at the staff. Look at the staff. They're even laughing.
It's a bit stubby.
Yeah, man.
It's got the girth, but I think this is definitely more like what we're looking for. So unfortunately, it looks like you're the winner.
Yeah. Over to Beth, who prepared the challenges that you must now complete. I bet you were involved. 100% no. Not my doing. Not my doing. Choose a challenge card.
Beth, are you kidding me? Oh.
What the Pitta in Box Park Shoreditch is definitely what's good.
Stop touching my hand. You're so annoying.